Hello, guys. Happy holidays to everyone. Hope you're enjoying yourselves and doing all the necessary things to ensure you save. I'm just here again. My name's as usual Jane, top hairstylist. I'm Jane Juma. That's my real name. So, today I would like us to learn on how to make chebe butter. Chebe is basically known for hair growth. It's a very good product for hair growth. If you would like to grow your hair, it's the perfect choice for you. So at first we used to mix it with the karkar. So chebe is in a powder form of which we mix the karkar oil. And the paste now, that is what we're going to use as a treatment for your hair. But now we're trying to make it easier and simple for everyone to use. So for that, we're going to show you on how you can make your own butter, or otherwise you can even get it from us. But it's easy when you're washing your hair. It's easy. The residue now you can't be able to see it anymore. So I'll just finish up with this and then I just start on that. So ensure guys you subscribe, you comment and like my YouTube channel. I love you guys. I've just started this just the other day. I've been so silent for long, but now I'm back fully. So at least I'll be posting maybe on a weekly basis. Yes guys, thank you. Bye bye for now.
Formulation of Chebe butter, and this is just the beginning. We're going to be starting with the beeswax and the cocoa butter here. We're going to be melting them. So the scale, we remember, as a formulator you had to do all your calculations before you start any formulating process. So I already did my calculation. So the beeswax I'll be using is ready, and here is it. So I need 450 grams for this formulation. That's 450, 51. Then cocoa butter as well, I'll need 450 for this formulation. So 75, 125, 75 to 70, 480, and it's 450. That's too much. 431, 448, 450. So we're going to melt this into nothing, then we'll get back to you. Thank you.
Yes.
You see, it has melted within it now.
Yes.
So start to add the oils. 70.